guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's my new video, and again it's cleaning video because I really like cleaning. And today we're gonna organize our fridge. I can tell you that I have a lot of very different things, different products like soup and all the stuff, because my mom really likes to cook it and I really like how she does it all the time. So yes, right now I'm gonna share with you how it looks a bit. It's such a mess. You don't see it, but I'm gonna do like this. Yep, you see this mess, and yes. And right now I'm gonna clean this everything up and organize, because I really like organization. So first of all, I will take away from this side of fridge and put on the table. So let's do this. Till the time it's gonna be dry. So right now we're gonna clean with the help of water and other stuff. This detail is quite dry, and right now we're gonna put at this part everything that there was. There I have different things for cooking, and also my dog's delicious things. So yeah, let's do this. and all the stuff that I should keep in my fridge. There you can see I have eggs. There I have different bacon things, and also my dog's tasties. And there I have her food, and there I have different oils, sauces, and all this stuff. There I have different creams and masks and all the stuff that is helpful for my body care and my care, and some dog things like this dog medicine. There I have soup, like these cucumbers. I have milk. There I have berries. I have strawberries. I have cherry. I have apricot, cucumbers. There I have one tomato, one orange, and there I have carrot and all this stuff, and dry fruit. So yeah, there I have different kind of jams, and there I have my dinner, and there also my dinner. There I have nuts and honey, lemon, bread, and more honey. There I have butter. What else? Cheese, ham, cottage cheese, and something. I don't know what that, but my dad bought. So yep, that's all.